Amen.
And you are having fun ba with Kazel and
Tito Boy, yes, I am.
Kylie Padilla?
Walang attitude yung mga bata.
Pero
Tito
itong
Boy.
dalawa, when we talk about Kylie Padilla and Kazel Kinucci, good girls.
Ay, good girls. Tito
Good
Boy,
actresses.
Good actresses. And I'm not saying this because I'm doing a project with them. I really, I admire them very much because they're professional and they're generous.
Plus, of course, you're working with Gabby Concepcion.
Ay, that's
Kumusta
another story,
naman
Tito Boy.
iyong original na ka-love team?
Tito Boy, nag-emote bigla. Tito Boy, alam mo ba si Gabby, para sa akin, isa siya sa pinakagwapong artista nung henerasyon namin. And today, talagang lalo ko napoprove, totoo nga, talagang yung beauty ni Gabby is classic and it never fading in beauty niya.
I will agree.
It's forever and wow, I'm gushing, Tito Boy.
And I love it.
And so, pagka ngayon kami nag-eksena, sorry po, pasensya na, pero talagang minsan parang lumilipad yung utak ko, Tito Boy, kasi tinitignan ko yung lips ni Gabi, mga ganon.
Napaka-pink, di ba?
Pink na pink.
Lumilipad ang iyong utak na may konting
Tito Boy, yung may konting, may konting...
No, because the chemistry is there.
Yes.
The chemistry is there.
Totoo, I must admit na sa lahat ng mga nakasama ko, I love all of them. I'm thankful that they were so kind to me. But si Gabby talaga, iba yung chemistry namin dalawa.